Hey guys, so today I just want to show you guys my rig for the a7C right here. This one right here I got from Camera Foundry, and I want to talk a little bit about a7C and how awesome it is. This obviously is a full frame camera. You can shoot this thing at 4K. A lot of time when it's stationary over there, I shoot at 4K at 24 FPS. But when I take this out and I actually do like action shoot and things like that, I use 120 FPS, and then it stays on there at all time. 1080p, 120 FPS. When I get back and I edit that thing at 120 FPS, this thing is phenomenal. Okay, I'm just gonna say that out there right now. If you're kind of a run and gun type of situation and you have this thing on a gimbal, amazing. So one thing I really love about the a7C here is that the fact that I don't have to worry too much about image quality. This thing is always gonna be spot on. Shooting daytime or nighttime, it doesn't matter. I just know that this thing is gonna come out, especially if you have lenses ready to go. Like this one right here is the GM lens 35mm. I know that the focusing is going to be amazing coupled with the a7C, and so that's the reason why I totally recommend this camera. It's amazing piece of tech. The other thing is this thing is super light. I know I have a Camera Foundry cage on here is because I wanted to add a bunch of different mods on it. But if you're just using this thing and using handheld, this thing is amazing because super light. One of the lightest camera that I have, and I actually prefer this over my a7 IV when I'm out there shooting because it's so light. If you're using a gimbal, the a7C is going to be a fantastic add-on for you. The reason why is that the body is so light, so all you have to worry about is the lens itself to balance the lens rather than balancing the body. On the a7 IV that I'm shooting with right here, the body is constantly pulling the camera down, and it's actually kind of hard to adjust to the weight of the a7 IV. This right here works very well on the Ronin, especially if you have a small lens like a 35mm lens or any kind of prime lens. Other than that, the battery, if you're brand new to the Sony full frame system, Sony full frame uses these bigger battery than the APS-C, and so what happens is that it lasts me like, here, let me check it out. So this battery right here will last me an hour or so shooting video non-stop. That's how crazy this thing is. I'm talking about shooting like 1080p at 120 FPS here, guys. Anyway, I'm still using the a7C in 2024, so I just wanted to make a video on it. Phenomenal camera. Pick it up if you can, especially with the price going down on these so much. I love it. I'm probably gonna pick up a second one because this one's actually staying in a stationary area. Anyway, that's it for me.